Hey, yo, what up, Bano in the building? This is your weekly outlook and prediction. DataZero in the building. DataZero about to make a killing. DataZero about to make $1 million. This is. Let a few people come in and we're going to get the party started. You already know how we do. Family! Glad to see so many of you came so fast. Wait, that sounded crazy. Pause. But I'm glad to see so many of you here. Bitcoin emergency. Bitcoin down to 93K. Will Bitcoin return? We're going to talk about all that and more. My crypto portfolio looks fine. Down about a couple bands from the top, but that's how life goes. I will hold on. We got GCA, we got April, we got Carbon. Yo, I need everybody in the building right now. I need everybody in the building right now. Hold on, I'm about to turn this camera on so we can make it a little bit more personal. All right, there we go. This is your boy DataZero. I'm in the building officially. Live in the flesh. I got the DZ merch on at all times. Stay with the DZ fitted, you feel me? How y'all feeling today, man? How y'all feeling today? Hopefully you're having a great weekend. You already know what it is. It's your boy DataZero. Make sure you get the like button and subscribe on the way in. I'm going to give you guys a quick subscriber update because we are blossoming. We're at 15,250 subscribers, y'all. Yo, we dropped a video yesterday, almost 1,000 views on that. I was hoping to get 1,000 views. We're so close to 1,000 views. So yeah, guys, if you can, check out this video because I'm trying to get this video to 1,000 views. We went to an AMC theater and I did another AMC review. Also, it's IRL content. You guys know I'm trying to do more IRL style content, and just trying to, you know, bring you guys more Datazero. Oh, good. There's new UFO footage. Should we watch it? Type a 1 in the chat if you want to watch the new UFO footage. Yeah, we're mad close to 1,000 views on this joint.
All right, this is part 2, y'all. Part 2 of Datazero. Visit.
Audio sounds clean.
AM.
Yeah, so if you guys could check this out, that would be really helpful if you haven't seen it. Or if you could just press it again, that way I can get 1,000 views. All right, you guys want to watch the UFO stuff? Dude, we've been reporting on the UFO stuff for like 2 weeks now. I got a video with like 200,030 views, but I know they cut it off of the algorithm because it was literally going viral and then it stopped. It literally was going up, and then just went flat to no views. So they wanted people to stop talking about the UFO stuff. They were trying to basically make people stop talking about it. No, I didn't personally record a UFO. If you didn't see part 1, man, you need to check that out. I officially visited 2 theaters, AMC, and did videos and reviewed them. I did a theater in Florida and a theater in Pennsylvania, bro. We're doing theaters all over the country, baby. I went to multiple AMC locations. And every time I went in different states, there were people there. And it was popping. So you riddle me that. The short sellers be lying, bro. How do I look on the camera? I look alright. Is the camera view okay? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like this jacket? I don't know if I'm feeling it or not, so let me know in the comments down below. I think the camera looks good, right? Thank you, April. I appreciate it. Thanks, Bano. Thank you, guys. Okay. So I guess the plan is we're going to watch UFO footage real quick and then do weekly outlook and prediction. You guys already know the weekend stream. We chill a little bit. I give you guys the weekly outlook and prediction. I turn that into a video. post a video, and then I see you guys Monday. You already know the deal. So let's check out the UFO footage real quick. And then we're going to talk about this stock and crypto as always. We always do some type of chill thing on the weekly outlook and prediction. Live stream, that is. So let me rename this to weekly outlook and prediction and chill. And then that way we can, you know, just justify. Can you guys believe the New Year's coming up? It's going to be 2025. I didn't know April was a girl. I should have figured. I've seen you coming around. I've seen a couple, I don't know if they're necessarily new people, but I've seen just a lot more people coming in general. What up, Ja Webb? Like, a lot more regulars, I would say, is what I'm trying to say. A lot more regular people, because there's people that come, like, almost every time I stream, which I really appreciate, and I'm seeing a lot more regulars. I haven't recorded a UFO yet, but I want to. Yes, GME is going to pump. And in fact, we're going to talk about all that and more. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, GameStop. GameStop's going to pump, and it's going to make us a lot of money. And we're going to be able to do a lot of fun stuff with our families. But first,
the government is actually lying to us.
Hold on.
Tell me about the orbs. What are these orbs? What's flying around our homes?
I don't know, dude.
This is
we
getting
need
serious.
answers, and we need answers now.
This one will be seen.
You want to go drive? Oh.
Can I get another viral clip off of this?
Brand new UFO sightings circulating all over the internet. I'm talking about record-breaking.
Okay, yeah. See, I'm telling you guys, UFO's going crazy. The UFO thing's going crazy, guys. 2025 is gonna be insane, y'all. Aliens are real, y'all.
Drones, plasmoids, whatever you want to call them, orbs. There's something up in the sky.
I need to get footage of myself,
people
though.
are seeing around the world. You know it, I know it. No one knows what the hell is going on, but I have a lot of new footage to share with you right now. So if you like that and enjoy these clips, hit that like button down below, and let's jump into today's video.
What the f? And we are back. Drone in the air and motherfucking orbs in the f***ing distance. What the f? Red orbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, let's just get some clips of this for the shorts. We got some new UFO footage. Let's get some clips for the shorts because last time we went viral. AMC Bigums is live right now. AMC Bigums is live. I'm going on his live and saying this guy's a shill. I'm going on AMC Bigums live right now and saying this guy's a shill. Alright, so right now, AMC Bigums live. I'm on there right now. Alright, I'm typing, this guy's a shill. I'm going to say, isn't this the same guy that said, isn't this the same guy who said the reverse split and dilution will cause a squeeze? I'm literally saying that right now.
The 10-year spiking. Now look at this. To prove my point. When the economy was great, when people could lend, everybody was happy.
This guy don't know what he's talking about, bro. Anyone who would listen to the guy who said, anyone who would listen to the guy who wanted a reverse split is insane. And I'm typing that right now. Alright, that's enough of that.
That is.
Enough free promo for the bull.
I don't know, dude. New York City, the Bronx.
Okay, we got brand new sighting in New York. Type a 1 in the chat if you live in New York right now. Type a 1 in the chat if you live in New York right now. My little buddy's being good right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got brand new 2025. Hold on, I just totally messed it up. We got brand new 2025 footage for you. 2025, what am I talking about? We got brand new 2024 footage for you guys. More UFO activity. I just had a video going viral. Guys, check this out. This stuff is not going away, and it's becoming more and more and more active. Just check it out. All right, we got this little bitty in New York. I do apologize about the dirty screen.
Coming from whatever the that is.
And these are orbs from New York.
I don't know, dude. New York City, the Bronx.
And now here is Arizona.
All right, the one right there.
We're actually
is
watching
obvious.
this live
it's either
right
a
now.
drone or a plane that's flying above
You can
them.
see
But
the
those
plane
four
right here.
dots right there. It's flying
And
over.
these are the
Those
orbs.
things have not moved.
What is happening? This is all 2024 footage. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think this is? Is it Project Bluebeam?
So I think it's safe to say the point
What
that
is
we're
happening?
all at is that we don't really care about the drones anymore. I think what all of us really want to know is what the hell are the orbs? Where did the orbs come from? What are these giant balls that look like balls of electricity just floating around in the sky?
Look at that.
It's moving.
What the is that, bro?
It can't be an airplane. No way. Is it an airplane?
No,
It's a
bro.
helicopter.
Is it a helicopter?
Helicopter.
I don't think they go in the clouds.
They don't.
It went through the open. You got to see the helicopter.
Bro, there's little lights like going around it.
One of them even floated down, and it looks like it almost hit a power line or something in the distance, and it exploded. Take a look at this.
All right, check this out in New Jersey, guys.
Like little flames like coming off of it or something. Do you see?
Yeah, it looked like it's burning.
Yeah. And that shit is way up there too.
Do you guys think this is Project Bluebeam? What do you guys think this
It
is?
looks like a fireball. Man. Like, what is that?
It doesn't look right on my phone. My phone's crappy.
Mine either.
It looks like it's coming closer. It's getting bigger.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's about to hit the ground.
Damn, it's behind the tree now. What the f is that? It is going down, yep.
I low-key want to go drive. Oh,
Yo!
What the f?
Yo! Yo! Yo, hold up. That's that. Guys, I don't know what you guys just thought about. Look, I got to go to the comments real quick. I'm sorry, I don't have two screens. Guys, did you get to see that footage just now? Did you guys see that footage just now? Arizona in the building right now. Arizona in the building. New York in the building. Have you guys seen anything? Did you guys see that footage we just witnessed, though? That was pretty compelling. I don't know if you guys feel the same way. That was pretty compelling right there. I might need to make a short about that.
It looks like it's coming closer. It's getting bigger.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's about to hit the ground.
Damn. It's behind the tree now.
Yeah, we got to make a short about this one. This one's huge.
Going down, yep. Okay.
This one's huge. This one's huge. We got to make another short about this one. Sorry, I do apologize, y'all. We have to. All right, y'all. So here we have a possible drone, UFO, unidentified object coming down from the sky and hitting a possible power line or something of that nature, but it does cause a electrical type of explosion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Things are getting crazy. It's heating up. Disclosure, is it coming? Project Bluebeam, let me know.
Like little flames like coming off of it or something. Do you see?
Yeah, it looks like it's burning or something.
Yeah. And that shit is way up there, too.
What the f is that?
He was even saying, he was like, it looks like a fireball. Man. Like, what is that?
It doesn't look right on my phone. My phone's crappy.
Mine either.
It looks like it's coming closer. It's getting bigger.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's about to hit the ground.
Damn. It's behind the tree now. What the f is that? It is going down, yep. Okay.
I low-key want to go drive.
Oh, sh**. What the f***? It blew up.
Get back, get back, get back.
Damn. It's behind the tree now. What the f is that? It is going down, yep. Okay.
I low-key want to go drive.
Oh, sh**. What the f? It blew up. It's behind the tree now. What the f is that? It is going down, yep. Okay.
I low-key want to go drive.
Oh, sh**. What the f? It blew up.
Get back, get back, get back. Australia, the Aussies are starting to get some love from the aliens, the UFOs, the strange anomalies in the sky. Check this video out. So a lot of people are just saying, yeah, clouds, big deal. When's the last time that you went to the beach and saw like dozens of disc-shaped clouds hovering close to the ocean and separated from the clouds in the background? Just look at this. Look, there's something weird about that, is there not? I mean, that's strange to me.
And if you guys don't know what's going on right now, we're just taking a quick update on the new 2024 evidence of all the stuff that's been going on around the world with the drones and stuff like that. And then we will be doing, obviously, weekly outlook and prediction. This is weekly outlook and prediction in StealthDataZero. And then I will be doing the weekly outlook and prediction. I will be making it in a video, guys. If you guys don't enjoy this type of stuff, if you don't want to hang out, you guys can just check out the video later, which I will be dropping after this. I'll be working on the video live with all of you.
Look, you got dark clouds in the back, and then you have these little white disc-shaped clouds all over the place. What is that? That's getting a lot of traction online right now. And then check this out. Another similar sighting at nighttime.
People in the building right now. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that like button if you don't mind.
It's not normal, is it?
No, I've never seen that.
Who would you send this to? Eh? Who will you report this to? This is just really strange. I mean, if I zoom in, it becomes... It just looks like they're all the same size. My phone's not good enough to... Every one of them is the same size.
Yeah.
13, yeah? And they're all in the same formation. They haven't moved out of formation.
And I feel you. I feel like that's a very valid question to ask. Who can I send this to? Because sometimes the news won't even take that. I've sent footage to the news and they don't care. They cover what they want to cover. They tell you what they want to tell you. So this is what we got. We got social media where we could share stuff among each other. And I'm going to share this next clip with you guys right now because you might not have seen it. Take a look at this.
This is near a nuclear facility.
Oh my.
Yo, that's actually crazy. Imagine seeing something like that in real life in front of your eyes.
That's the brightest it's
It's
ever
November 28th,
Zoom out a little bit so you
2024.
can kind of just gauge how bright we're talking. They're the brightest thing in the sky. Oh. This has to be seen by other people. This is way too bright. This one will be seen. You will be seen. Look at this. Oh my word.
I mean, I can't even comprehend what I'm looking at.
So this has been happening in the UK. This has been happening in the UK and, okay, so not only has it been happening in the United States, but this has been happening in the UK as well. Let me know, any UK fam, have you guys seen anything? Is there anyone in the comments that's seen anything? Will we squeeze next week? I don't know about next week, but I know that GameStop is about to make a nasty move, and we will be talking about all that and more in just a few minutes. Right now, we're just doing a little chill session with the DZ fam, watching a little unrelated stock content, but you already know how we do. I am going to fast forward a little bit here and see if I can see anything else.
It seems like...
I can hear planes in the background. Right there's a plane. Right there's one of those drones. This is New Jersey. New Jersey's popping off.
And then they take off into outer space. I'm not sure what kind of spacecraft could do that. Just hover and then just go like completely out of our orbit. It's wild, and this stuff is really happening right now.
Yo,
I think that's really what people want to know is what are these giant orbs?
This is actually unprecedented. I don't think this is Project Blue Beam, bro. There's no way. There's no way we have technology that's this impressive, bro. I don't care what anyone says. Humans don't have something that can float and then go out into literal outer space. We just don't. We don't. We don't have that. I don't care what anyone says. We don't have that. The G-forces alone would just... Imagine being inside of something like that and it's floating and then goes into... Bro, we don't have that. We don't have that unless we got UFOs and reverse engineered
everywhere, and there's more and more of them. Every time you look up at night, you could see a bunch of these things in the sky. There's actually so many sightings right now that people are having a hard time not capturing them. Here's 2 times that orbs were accidentally caught on live TV recently. One was in the news on a Fox Skycam, and the other was during a football
crazy.
game.
So there's so many sightings right now that people are having a hard time not seeing them.
Capture a UFO on live TV?
Yep.
Here's what we know. Something strange was captured on live TV during a Skyfox broadcast over Lower Manhattan.
What is happening?
A bright, fast-moving
right now,
object
guys?
streaked across the Hudson River, covering an incredible distance in just 4 seconds before disappearing.
Imagine being in something moving that fast. Humans don't have that, bro.
Footage left viewers asking, what was it?
What is that? And here's at a football game. College football, December 20th, 2024. Yep, right over here. They're everywhere, bro.
What's interesting to me about this clip right here is that, yeah, you could see something shooting across the sky, but if you look behind it, you could see like flashes, like 2 of them. Like it's almost like a portal or a flash from where it came out of, and then another flash behind it. Like this thing is accelerating at speeds that we can't fathom.
And Brian Vance has done a fantastic job, and Nathan Fisher, his football IQ.
It's happening everywhere right now. It's not just the United States. Brazil, Portugal, UK, Canada, like everywhere. China.
Oh, that is. But there's something coming out of that.
Something is definitely strange is happening there.
They're in the sky.
Orb in the middle, orb bags. If you go on TikTok and you look up Dior bags, that will literally start pulling up orb videos, orb footage. What the hell is going on? What is this world that we're living in right now? But before you go searching Dior bags on TikTok, check out this next video. I have a bunch of really cool ones coming up. Don't go anywhere. Take a look at this.
Hi, this is Larry. I'm at my brother's house on Ladera Ranch. It's in the evening, and we see some lights up in the sky. We're trying to figure out what they are. It looks like a ball with individual lights within that ball. With all these
sharing as much information as we can.
You're telling me that this really grasping for straws to come up with any reason they can to try to dumb down the fact that as to why UFO sightings have gone up recently? Check this out. Basically, they're saying it's because the unemployment rate is rising right now. You know, people are stressed out.
What? What? They are so... Hold on, guys. Okay. Did you hear what this man just said? Anybody watching my channel will actually be able to put this together. They are so desperate to cover up this whole thing going on in the sky that they literally resorted to telling you that unemployment is going up and people are stressed out because unemployment is going up. Another reason why we need to be extremely blessed that we can afford brand new things and take a vacation right now. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Seriously, no joke. Yeah, unemployment is rising. The economy is getting bad. So I guess people are going crazy
from not having work right now, so their eyes and their minds are playing tricks on them. So basically, you're not seeing any of this stuff in the sky. It's just because, you know, we're not making a lot of money right now, so we're stressed out, and that's why the UFO sightings have increased. These people are literally grasping for straws to come up with any reason they can to try to dumb down the fact that everyone is seeing this.
Danny Lamb, you might be onto something there. You might be onto something there because I'm actually about to explain something here on AMC where I think we see a brief drop down and then it popped to the upside. If you were to buy the dip, and thank you for the $2 super chat, Danny Lamb. If you were to buy the dip, okay, I don't know if you're in the Discord, but this could be a similar play to, remember when I put out a great play on GameStop last week for $30 calls, which went way in the money and crushed instantly. I said that in the morning GameStop would dip to the downside and underneath $30. I said as soon as that dip happens, buy that dip and you'll print. And a couple people did that and it went up instantly. I think AMC is getting ready to have a dip to the downside towards $3.80, and I'm going to explain this here in a minute. We're actually about to get ready to go into the stock and crypto section now of the weekly outlook prediction and chill. But if you were to buy the dip, it could work out for you in your favor. But let me explain a few things about AMC. We have about a few more minutes left of this video, and then we're going to move into weekly outlook prediction. We've been live for I'm going to do like an hour and a half hour live stream here, guys. And then drop this video. We've already been live for about 30 minutes. So I'm getting ready to do this video soon. We just wanted to check out this footage real quick. You guys already know how we goof around on the weekends and stuff, hang out. But really appreciate that super chat, Danny. Did not expect any super chats on the weekend stream. So truly grateful for that. But the fact that they said that unemployment is rising and they're admitting that is
now,
absolutely insane.
Maybe even thousands of credible accounts.
These are just hobbyist drones. They're not military drones. Why is it a classified briefing on the Capitol Hill?
I'd have to refer you to Congress on that. We are sharing as much information as we can.
You're telling me that this right here is a hobby drone? Look at this.
Yo, bro. These drones in Jersey is real. Oh my God. Look, what is that, bro? Ah, my camera keep on unfocusing, bro. They f***ing up my signals. There we go. What is that, cuz? What? That's a flying car, cuz. Oh my God, bro,
He said on bro, it's a flying car.
Flashing lights.
He said it's a flying car. Dude, people from the hood have the best commentary. If you put a
Our
video,
families deserve peace of mind. Our community.
if you put a video online and then just put someone from the hood as the commentator, it will be hilarious. He said, "Yo, bro, it's a flying car."
Deserve action. There are drones flying over our homes now.
Okay, guys, so this is it. This is all I'm reporting on. Things are getting crazier, all right? This is getting crazier. I did 2 short videos. Let's get to the stocks. Let's get to the stocks and let's get to the crypto. And let's talk shop, baby. Let's get to work. All right. So, the only thing we have for this week is going to be ISM, which is going to be coming out on Friday, which is it's a big deal. It's a 3-star impact, but it's not going to be major. The next biggest thing that you have to look out for is FOMC minutes, which is coming up in January the 8th. And then we have unemployment, which is coming out. That's going to be coming out here on, it says the 10th. That's going to be coming out on the 10th. So those are the 2 major factors that we will be looking at. Let me get my little makeshift speaker. Alright, so I'm going to try to make a video on this, man. It's going to be hard as hell. And then AMC. So AMC, what I'm thinking is... So there's a gap fill to the upside at $4. It's a very good chance that what you see on AMC is a drop down and we do hit that 380, 390 price target that I was talking about. I said specifically 380. So I think there's a chance that you get a drop to the downside and then a pop up. On AMC in the morning on Monday. I think it's going to drop down to like $384. I honestly wish I had Trading View to see if there's buy orders down there. I bet you there is buy orders like right around 380, 390. I bet you. Don't. Stay right there. So yeah, if you guys seen the UFO thing, man, it's going crazy. I did 2 short videos on some of the new footage. Make sure you guys check those out. Crypto's been pulling back. I want to look up crypto fear and greed because crypto needs a flush out, and crypto fear and greed is exactly showing me that crypto needs a flush out because we're still in greed. Yeah, we're still in greed. Crypto needs a flush out, so that's what I'm gonna use to talk about. How's the box office? Is there anything? Sonic 3, I think, is gonna do numbers. AMC. I think Sonic 3 is gonna do numbers. AMC stock surges again? What are they talking about? How's it 14 hours ago? What are they talking about? What are they talking about? AMC surges again 14 hours ago. Okay, let's try to do this video. Danny, thank you for the super chat, brother. Thank you, the great Cambino in the building. We actually have 50 people in the building right now. Mike in the building. Danny just gave us a super chat, which is crazy. Yeah, definitely grab your Bibles. He said if aliens exist, then zombies exist. Aliens aren't demons. Aren't or are? Hi, Tiffany. LaTiffany. I didn't see your comment. I'm very good. How are you, LaTiffany? Yeah, I got hooked up a little over a week ago. April has a membership. Is that what you mean? April said handsome. Thank you. I'm just reading all the comments. I'm catching up. I'm sorry. You guys know that I have, since I'm not on my good setup at home, I have one screen, and that's why streamers need literally at least 2 monitors. You need one for chat and one for what you're showing. Idealistically, you would have 3 screens. You would have OBS, your screen to work off of, and chat. Or yeah, like OBS, your YouTube background and all that stuff, and then chat on one screen, and then your work, like what you're showing and what you're streaming. All right, let's try to make this video, man. I'm gonna try. It's gonna be hard, but let's see what we can do here. That dilution, man. That dilution hurt AMC so bad, man. Alright, so shout out to everybody that's here right now. I'm about to do weekly outlook and prediction, man. You already know what it is. We got 42 people in the building. Chico in the building. Carbon Path in the building. Yo. You think AMC? I think AMC is going to drop to at least 380, guys. And I'm going to let you guys know that now. I'm going to try to make this video. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. It's going to be hard. The mouse I brought doesn't work that good. I don't know what's going on, but the mouse I brought doesn't work that good. I need a new mouse, and I should have probably bought one. I have other mouses too. I could have bought it, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and do this. All right. Hey, it's your boy DataZero back with another video. This is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. We're trying to record this live right now, giving you guys the information that you need to know as a trader and investor for this week. Now, this week is going to be going into 2025, so do be aware of that. And I do want to point out that data drops right off of the bat that we will be looking at here. And that is going to be just one thing. The next major things we have coming up is FOMC and unemployment, but those don't come up for a couple weeks now. But we have on Friday ISM. Now, that is a 3-star data drop, but it is not that huge. So we do have to worry about ISM on Friday, which is going to be the major market mover as far as data sets are concerned. Now, I want to move in here to AMC and GME and show you guys what's going on. And again, I know some people are doom and gloom on AMC, but you have to figure out what you want to do personally and figure out where you're at with this thing. Me personally, I think we're closer than ever to possibly seeing something, especially with the route that GME is going. And I have some very exciting news here for GameStop stock. But I think once GME starts to explode, AMC will rally up with it. And I think also once this dilution news is announced as complete, AMC will also be getting a move. But the technicals are showing that we're possibly making a bottom, but we do have a surprise coming in store, and I'm going to let you guys know exactly what that is. But before I do that, we're going to look here on GameStop stock and cover GME. And of course, we did get a green week for GME last week, which I predicted a green week. I told you guys we'd be getting a green week on GME, and we did get a nice green week on GME, about an 8% green week here on GameStop stock that we were able to pull off. And then on SPY stock, we were also able to pull off a green week, which I predicted for SPY, and I predicted a green week for GME. Unfortunately, we did get a red week for AMC, which I did get wrong. But again, 2 out of 3 is not bad. So let's go ahead and give you guys your weekly outlook and prediction, candle prints, and much, much more. So what we're looking at here for GME, again, when in doubt, zoom out. GME is looking beautiful. Okay, we're breaking out of this falling wedge here. You can see the falling wedge breakout. We're in an overall uptrend. I'm telling you guys, GME is going on a bull run. In fact, look at how many green weeks GME has had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green weeks here. We had one red week, and then we had another green week, and then another green week. So many green weeks in a row for GME. GME is also up on the month and the year as well. GME, I'm telling you guys, is literally going on a bull run when we look at the macro. And the weekly outlook and prediction is the best time to look at the macro, really zooming out and get a perspective of everything. And we are looking extremely good, in my personal opinion. On top of all of these things, guys, we still have the MACD looking good. We have RSI looking good, and we have plenty room to run, in my personal opinion. If I go ahead and just pop on the MACD for you guys, if I can find it, let's see here. It's a little bit difficult with this portable setup first, so just bear with me, guys. We'll try to get on there for you guys. But we do have green monthly MACD, as you guys know. I've showed you guys multiple times. Here, I actually got to start this video over because I gotta get this MACD on here. I do not know why MACD is not on. Why are you being so difficult? Oh my god, dude. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do a video on this. On this one, I don't think so. Can I type in MACD? Because it's not letting me scroll for nothing. And why did it take my MACD off in the first place? Where's MACD, dude? You guys don't have the most basic? You don't have the most basic? Indicator? What happened to Weeble? They seriously don't have MACD no more. That's why it's gone. How do you not have MACD? This can't be real. Somebody tell me their Weeble still has MACD. This can't be real. This can't be. It's just gotta be because... Oh, maybe it's because it's on the month. No, what is happening? Bro, my Weeble doesn't have MACD. How am I supposed to do anything without a MACD? What the heck? Maybe... Robert, thank you for joining level 2, my brother. Leveled up and joined the crew. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you, dude. Is that going to be our first member for today? I'm going to try to do a video, but I don't think I think everybody's going to have to... Anybody who's watching the... Everybody who's watching the live stream's only one's going to get a weekly outlook and prediction because... I might not be able to make a video. Only people watching the live stream are gonna get it. And okay, my MACD's back. Thank God, dude. I don't know what the hell that was, but that was crazy. Okay, let's try this again. All right. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with DataZero. We actually are recording this live, so if you're watching this live right now, I truly appreciate it. We actually did get some new members and super chats. I truly appreciate you guys. Been going absolutely insane. This week is going to be wild, ladies and gentlemen. We have GameStop setting up for a possible bull run. AMC. We're going to talk about AMC. Is it doom and gloom? Recovery. What is going to be happening next? And what are we going to see for SPY, cryptocurrency, and the overall stock market? I got it all for you guys. Charts, facts, and data. You do not want to miss a second of this update. Let's go ahead and hop right in. This video is not financial advice. So the first thing I want to point out here is GameStop stock. Okay, GameStop stock is looking extremely good in my personal opinion. Again, this weekly outlook and prediction is going to be a little bit short, sweet, and to the point because I am on a second setup and it is a little bit more difficult to record on this setup. But I want to show you guys things. When you in doubt, zoom out. You can see that we have green monthly MACD. Okay, RSI is not yet overbought on the monthly time frame. We have broken out of this overall falling wedge structure here, and we are in an overall uptrend. We have also broken and held $30 after we've gotten a great earnings here from GME showing that fundamentals are improving, and we got a tweet from Roaring Kitty helping build momentum from retail. So we are in a perfect position between the fundamentals, the technicals, and a possible catalyst to see GME do something truly special. And I told you guys we had a price target for GME by the 7th of this upcoming year, 2025, by the 7th of this year, that GME would hit at least $35 to $40, and we are well on track for that price target here on GameStop stock of hitting that $35 to $40 price target. Again, we officially held $30 and we are seeing movements to the upside, and right now we are seeing that we are closed a Friday at 32.20, ladies and gentlemen, and we are up slightly in after hours. Now, what I expect here for starting on Monday is, and here I'm going to go ahead and zoom and show you guys exactly what I'm looking at off of my research. Again, please do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset. But it looks like we have a potential bull flag push up here. It looks like we're going to see consolidation in the morning, possibly a retest of as low as 31.88. Okay, we do have support at 32.30. And if we can hold 32.30, that would be great. But what I'm more likely expecting to see is a breakdown in the morning to 31.88, confirming that level as support. And if we are able to confirm that level of support, you're going to see a continuation to the upside for GME stock heading towards that $30 or that $35 to $40 price target that we're looking for AMC stock or GME stock. I do apologize. So this is what I'm looking at for GME. What I want to see here for GME is GME break above these key levels here. We have 32.95, 33.7. All right, I messed the video up, but let me just, because I said AMC stock. Jeez Louise, y'all. Bro cannot get it together this time. All right, last try. I got a little too hyped. Alright guys, what is up? This is your weekly outlook and prediction. Again, do bear with me. This setup is a little bit different than my normal setup. I'm trying to get a video out for you guys. It's been quite difficult as anybody watching live. This is the third time, but third time is a charm. We're going to be talking about AMC, GME, SPY, and the cryptocurrency market, giving you guys the weekly outlook and prediction on what to expect. We did get most of the candle prints last week, so you want to lock in, like, and subscribe, and that way you can get accurate predictions. The first thing I want to show you guys here is GME stock. Okay, the first thing here I want to show you is GME stock, and we just want to take a look here on the macro and show you guys why I think GME has a particularly bullish setup in my personal opinion. So first thing I want to point out here for GME is the breakout of the falling wedge. You can see that we're breaking out of the falling wedge. We have green MACD, which is increasingly getting bigger, which means bullish momentum is building. We also have this overall uptrend, and we are now officially holding $30 as support. And we had a profitable earnings, a very good earnings, plus a roaring kitty tweet. So we finally have the trifecta of technicals, fundamentals, and a possible catalyst coming together to create the perfect storm where we could actually see something here for GME stock. So this is why I think GameStop could potentially start going on a bull run, pushing to the upside and hitting our price target, which I gave you guys a date by. I told you guys by the 7th of 2025 that GameStop would hit at least $35 to $40, and it looks like we're on track to hit that price target here for GME. Now I want to show you guys what we need to see for a continuation to the upside and what I'm expecting based off of my research and due diligence. Please do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset and or derivative. So what I think we're going to see here for GME is we kind of have this bull flag push right here in this consolidation, but I think GME needs to retest 31.88. So what I'm thinking we're going to see here on Monday is a breakdown and a retest of 31.88. And if we can hold 31.88 as support, we're going to head back towards 32.30. Now, we do have support at 32.30. And if we can get a pre-market pump, that's great. We did fill the gap last week, so there's no more gap fills to the downside. If we can hold 32.30, that would be great. That's where our level of support is right now. But I think we're going to have to retest 31.88 and then use that as support and push up. And then once we do so, then we can head back towards $32. And if we can head back towards $32, then we have resistance at $32.95, $33.73. And then, of course, we can start heading closer to that $35 price target. Now, we put out an amazing play in the Discord last week for $30 calls. I'll be looking to see if there's any more plays, and I will put them in the Discord this week. But we can see that we have plenty of room to run here on the RSI. As far as the hourly time frame is concerned, 2-hour time frame getting kind of hot. And then if we go into the 4-hour time frame, of course, we're getting even a little bit more hot, but we still have room to run on all of these considerable time frames. Now, we do want to check out the daily time frame and see if we were able to flip MACD green, because we do have a green monthly MACD. And this would be an indication of, yes, we did indeed get that green daily MACD as well. And this is an indication that we will be seeing more upside, in my personal opinion, here, stock, especially because we held this trend line as well. It looks like GameStop is going to easily be pushing towards $35 this week, in my personal opinion. You can see that last week we hit a high of 34, 37. So I think that this week we'll easily be able to hit $35 and then continue on to that $40 price target. But I believe that GME is about to go on to a nasty bull run, in my personal opinion. If you guys have looked at how many green weeks we've had on GameStop, it's been absolutely extraordinary. I don't have all of the indicators right on hand, but if you just look at some of the things like the super trend, you'll see that we have plenty of momentum. Bollinger Bands, if we go ahead and pop those on, you guys can see that we went slightly outside of the bands. That's why we came back inside. But right now it looks like we're testing to probably break out of the bands here on the daily time frame, and that could lead to an explosive movement to the upside. I think that GameStop really needs to get to about 35.20 before we would see it really go crazy. But if we do get to 35.20 and break that support and resistance and hold that, you're going to see GameStop start to push up quite rapidly. And then that's when AMC would also start to push up as well. I know people are doom and gloom on AMC right now, and I'm going to talk about AMC here in a second, but I believe that GameStop is going to help AMC, and then we will be able to push up together simultaneously. Also, if we get the news that dilution is over for AMC, that's going to help AMC as well. I just dropped a video where I did another AMC review. I dropped that here on Saturday, so if you guys want to check that out, I would truly appreciate it. That is up on the channel now. But basically right now what we are waiting on is GameStop to push up. You can see that we're holding this key level of 31.88, and that's the level we need to hold to confirm that we will continue to the upside. If we hold 31.88, basically you can say that we're going to start working our way towards $35 this week, and I think that's what we could see for this week. And I'm going to go ahead and lock in a green week here for GameStop stock. This would actually be its third green week in a row after a 7-week winning streak. Then we had one red week. We've had a green week last week, and I'm locking in a green week this week. So I think we will be looking good to lock in another green week, and that is going to be my prediction for GameStop stock. Again, not financial advice, and this week could get explosive if we do push up past 35.20 and use that level as support. So again, we are set up with a possible trifecta with technicals breaking out of the macro falling wedge. We have macro technicals coming into play, macro buy signals. We also have Roaring Kitty starting to tweet, and we have fundamentals improving. GameStop is looking like the stock to me, and that is just what I'm seeing based off my research and keeping it 110% with you guys. Literally, I'm all about GameStop right now, in my personal opinion. Now, let's go ahead and look into AMC. And before we look into AMC, I just want to show you guys some of the numbers here for cost to borrow and short interest at time of recording. Right now, AMC, they've been shorting it heavily, pummeling AMC on top of the dilution news. That's why some people are getting depressed. And really, guys, you need to figure out where you're at with AMC. I'm holding my shares. I will not be selling my shares because I think that AMC is actually in a position here where once GameStop start to move, and also once the dilution news is announced is over, that we could see some relief to the upside. And the technicals are showing some possible relief as well, which I'm going to talk to here in a second. But I think we could see a surprise drop to the downside, and I want to warn you guys about that. So make sure you stay tuned for this AMC segment. But right now, at time of recording, they have 2.6 million shares available to short. And right now for GameStop, they only have 550,000 shares available to short. Another reason why I think GameStop is getting ready to pop off. They have a little to no ammo, and the shorts backs are getting pressed against the wall because they said no dilution for a period of time. So this is a perfect time for GameStop to go on a bull run. And again, catalyst, fundamentals, and technicals coming together for that trifecta to really make things pop off. Now, cost to borrow, we want to see go up on both of the meme stocks, but right now, cost to borrow is sitting at 0.53% here for AMC stock. And then as far as GameStop is concerned, cost to borrow is sitting at 0.34%. We really want to see cost to borrow go up. If you see cost to borrow shoot up, that's a sign that something is popping off. Also, if you see prices start to run rapidly in after hours, I'm talking about 10, 20, 30%, that's a sign that potentially shorts are covering. And then if cost to borrow dries up, that's a sign that a rally might be coming and liquidity is drying up. So those are the numbers we have to look at for AMC and GME as far as cost to borrow. Short interest for the meme stocks. Right now, GameStop short interest is sitting at 7.60%. It went up slightly, but now it's back at about where it was. And then AMC cost to borrow is significantly higher. Short interest is significantly higher, sitting at 15.15%, and that is short interest for AMC. And then, of course, short interest for GameStop is sitting at 7.60%. Now, let's go ahead and show you guys the technicals here for AMC. What I think AMC is going to be doing, what I'm expecting, and the potential downside surprise that we might have. So I think AMC is actually going to be hitting a price target of $3.90 to $3.80, and we will see that downside price target. We didn't break above the sloping support and resistance yet, which I thought we would have broke above by now. So we're going to see that downtrend continue until we break above that sloping support and resistance. But what I think is we're building a base at $4. So this is going to shock a lot of people, and I think that's why it's going to be a surprise move. I think we're going to see a sharp drop down, 390, 380, and then bounce back above $4. Now, somebody left a super chat and asked if you could potentially play $4 calls. It is going to be risky because we haven't got that news that that dilution is over yet, and we're still getting shorted heavily. But because of this gap fill and because of RSI getting so oversold on these higher time frames and this downtrend being so long, so you guys can see RSI starting to get very, very low here on the hourly time frame, 2-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame. RSI is getting very, very low, or even getting outside of the bands here, riding the bottom part of the bands and getting outside of the bands on some of the higher time frames. I believe that we're going to see the last of the sellers get exhausted. You're going to see a drop down to 390, 380. And in my personal opinion, this is not financial advice, that would be an amazing buying opportunity for either $4 calls. And again, this is not financial advice. This is what I'm looking at, a trader and investor, or shares to average down. If you can get them underneath $4, because I believe AMC will rapidly bounce back above that level. $3.80 is where I think the low would be. Again, I'm only human. I can make mistakes. I could be wrong. But based off everything I'm seeing here, I don't think it could go much lower than that. If you did, you would have like 375. But I would see people stepping in, and I would see a sharp bounce back above $4 in my personal opinion, especially with the way GameStop is set up right now. I just don't see AMC dropping down below 380 and then continuing to drop, in my personal opinion. After those levels, it's extremely good buying opportunities. I know some people will see those levels and they just feel disgusted, but those are the levels that if you can buy, that once it does run back up to $4, $5, $6, $7, you're going to make a great profit off of. And again, you always want to buy when RSI is low. You can see RSI getting oversold here on the 2-hour time frame. And the 4-hour time frame, when you see RSIs getting low on those time frames, that's normally good times to step in. That means the selling has been occurring for a while. We've been in an overall downtrend, and I think the sellers are going to get exhausted once we get that move down. We have this gap fill to the upside. What I think we're going to see here on Monday is more downside, unfortunately, possibly coming down to that 380, 390, and then getting that pop back to the upside, filling this gap back to the upside. But I'm very, very confident with this gap fill to the upside here on AMC and GameStop showing amazing strength, that AMC will recover above $4. So in my personal opinion, when we do get this drop down, it's going to be amazing buy opportunity. And we might not even get that drop down to the downside, but you guys know I'm normally right. So expect 380, 390, and then a pop to the upside for AMC. I'm going to have to go out on a limb, and because of where we're at, I think we will be able to pull off a small green week, because we're going to get the drop to the downside, the pop back above 4, and then hopefully this is the week that we break above the sloping support and resistance. We're starting the week down low, so that should be able to give us a green week on AMC. So far, we have green week on GameStop, green week on AMC. Let's go ahead and go into SPY and then Bitcoin and then wrap up this video. So SPY, I'm going to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. Ladies and gentlemen, we called SPY perfectly last week and the week before. I told you week before red week, and then this previous week I told you green week, as we would get a recovery back up to 602 and pull back. You can see SPY went to 602.48 and pulled back as expected. Now, what does DataZero think SPY is going to do next? I actually think SPY is going to get a pop to the upside and pull back, giving it an overall red week. Now, again, I could be wrong. SPY has been tricky, but I've been absolutely crushing SPY as of late. If I do, and I'm streaming as much as I can, guys. You guys know I'm on vacation and stuff like that. If I do see something change where I think things are going to switch up, I'll let everyone know. But what I think SPY is going to end up doing here is I think SPY is going to push up to maybe about 599, 600, and then pull back. Okay, you can see that we have red MACD here on the 4-hour time frame. If I go ahead and go to the bigger time frames, like the weekly time frame, you guys can see that we're actually starting to get bearish momentum on the weekly time frame as well with red MACD. And then I've been talking about these things consistently, that we have RSI trending down as price is trending up. That's called bearish divergence. We have volume trending down as price trending up. That's divergence as well. We have multiple gap fills to the downside. I believe that the market is topping out, in my personal opinion. Also, I've been talking about how NASDAQ has this massive rising wedge and that it's going to get a bounce back inside of the rising wedge and then break down. I think that's what we're seeing now. So I think SPY is going to get a quick pop to the upside and then start to pull back. You can actually see NASDAQ starting to break down out of that rising wedge now. So what I think we're actually going to see is a red week here for the entire market in SPY, because what we're going to be seeing here is the market pop to the upside and then pull back, and that is going to give us an overall red week. So that's what I'm looking at for SPY. And then of course, just give you guys some evidence on why I believe that is going to be the case. You guys can see that here, and I'm going to go ahead and try to find it real quick. But I want to show you guys that Apple is topping out. I'm going to try to find it. Again, this setup's a little bit harder to control than my normal setup. But I want to show you guys here that Apple is topping out. So I think Apple is starting to top out. It broke down from this trend line. You can see RSI is trending down. It was overbought. I believe that Apple is topping out. That's going to take the market with it. And then NVIDIA, I think, is tracking with my prediction, where it's popping to the upside and then it's going to pull back, taking the overall market with it. But I think that Apple and NVIDIA are starting to top out. The tech sector is starting to top out, and that's going to take SPY and NASDAQ with it, and you're going to start seeing a pullback to the downside. So I am calling for a red week here on SPY, in my personal opinion. After a pop to the upside, the pop to the upside will probably happen on Monday. You'll probably move to the upside and then see a drop down. I'm thinking 599. 602. We have major resistance here for SPY at the levels of 595 47, 595 50, and that's the level you need to see broken. If that's confirmed as support, then you can see a push up. That's what I think we're actually going to see here in the morning. I think it's going to confirm that level of support and push up, but then quickly lose its momentum and then fade back down, in my personal opinion. Now let's go ahead and go into Bitcoin, crypto, and then we can finish this video. So Bitcoin, I'm going to keep it short, sweet, and to the point as well. Basically, y'all, I think we need to see a flush out. We're still in greed, okay? And you guys can do what you want. Take profit if you believe that this is the top. But I do not believe this is the top for crypto. I've explained multiple times that I think altcoin season is going to happen in 2025. That we still have a ton of things coming up, like a bullish president for crypto. Possibly a bullish SEC for crypto. I think 2025 is going to be crypto's year. We also possibly have an XRP ETF coming into play. So there's too many things that can happen in 2025 for crypto not to be bullish, in my personal opinion. Do remember that we do have ISM coming out on Friday. That's the one data drop that we need to be worried about for this week in the stock market, and that is a 3-star data drop that's going to be happening on Friday. And that's going to be the major market mover. Ethereum basically tracking. I think Ethereum is extremely undervalued right now. I think Bitcoin could have some more pullback to the downside, but I do not think this is the top by any means. We have major support at 91,000, but I simply think we need to flush out a little bit, move down before a continuation to the upside. I'm going to be tracking Bitcoin very, very carefully. I called the Bitcoin bull run. I called the bull flag breakout. I called that we were going to 80K. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. We've been tracking cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in particular very, very well and been doing very, very successful with it. But again, crypto fear and greed is still in greed. Basically, you want to sell extreme greed and buy extreme fear, sell the greed and buy the fear. I do not think this is the time right now based off of everything on the macro cycle. I think this is a bull run and greed runs hot. What I think the market is actually doing is cooling down, letting RSI cool down here on some of the bigger time frames, and that way we can make another leg to the upside. I think this market is moving in a healthy manner. In my personal opinion, it started to move too fast, and we need a pullback. We started to move way too fast. We need a pullback. We need to build support here. I think we're going to see a little bit of flush out, maybe down towards 80K, but that's not going to scare me. That would be a buying opportunity, in my personal opinion. You can see RSI just now getting back to those regular spots, not being overbought. So again, I think we need to flush out, and then we can continue up for Bitcoin. I think 2025 is going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, in my personal opinion. And as far as altcoins are concerned, once Bitcoin pulls back, because Bitcoin dominance is so high, altcoins are going to really pull back. So that's why you're seeing altcoins take a way bigger hit than BTC. And then that's why you're also not seeing altcoins outperform BTC. But once altcoin season comes, then you will see those altcoins do a little better. I also think we have a little bit of a meme coin bubble as well, and that might need popped. But these bubbles do occur in the crypto space during these bull runs, like things like FTX we had and stuff like that. But the bubbles get popped, the liquidity gets washed out, and the market works itself out. But this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. 2025 is going to be an amazing year for crypto, in my personal opinion. Crypto is a long-term investment for me. I am holding, literally passing some Bitcoin on to my kids. I am holding, ladies and gentlemen. And I think that there's going to be a point where there's going to be crypto haves and crypto have-nots. Maybe I'm crazy, but the dollar is going to continue to devalue, in my personal opinion, and assets are what you need to stack. Ladies and gentlemen, this was your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. I think we made it through. I think we have a video. If you found this video informative, please go ahead and drop a like. Press subscribe. I appreciate anybody watching right now on the live stream. Third time was a charm, but we did make it through. And as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, y'all, I think I got a video. Let me see if I can transfer it to my phone. It's going to turn the mic off for a second. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and edit this video and not take any more time up. I really appreciate anybody who showed up for the live stream, and then everybody who did a... First of all, we had someone upgrade to level 2, which is freaking awesome. Thank you so much. It was Robert who upgraded to level 2, and then we had a $2 super chat, so thank you guys. Looks like the Wi-Fi is a little laggy. We might use the hotspot in the morning. But I will see you guys tomorrow. I will be streaming tomorrow Monday for market hours. I really appreciate you guys being here, man. Another super chat, baby. Let's go. Thank you, Benjamin. Thank you, brother. Ghostman, I see you, fishy friend. Thank you guys for watching, man. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the super chats, man. I love you guys, man. I did not expect those super chats on the weekend, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. I'm going to edit this video and then go hang out with my boy, my buck. He calls himself DataZero Son. DataZero Son. The son of data. Alright, y'all. It's been a pleasure. As always, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out, y'all. Thank you, Benjamin, for the super. It's a DataZero thing. DZ building, DZ gang, it's a DataZero thing. DZ building, DZ gang, it's a DataZero thing. DZ building, DZ gang, it's a Yo, check it. Alright, y'all, we managed to get a weekly outlook and prediction video, guys, done for you guys. Imagine that. Now, listen, it's on a different setup than normal, so do bear with me, guys. This is not my normal quality of video, but we did get all of the context levels that you need to know and the weekly candle prints on what I'm expecting, and I will be streaming, helping guide as well as the technicals and predictions become available, so make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. But let's not waste any more time and hop into charts, facts, data. Let's go. Alright, y'all, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like. Remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more DataZero updates. And I appreciate to anybody who watched the end of the video, people, because so few people watch. Why did I mess that up? Alright, guys, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like. Press subscribe for more content like this. And I appreciate to anybody who watched the end of the video, because so few people watch the end, and that helps me out a ton with the algorithm, and it helps more people see it. Hit the like button and comment down below to help even more. And as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Stream ends in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're out.